video, we are going to see how to create a travel note in the Ghumo app. So now let's first open the application. So this is my home tab. Now we are going to switch to the create tab. Select the state. So recently I visited Goa and the travel category was road trip. Now the month was December and year was 23. Now for location we'll enter Baga Beach, and for place North Goa. Okay, next the essentials to carry. Budget price we have to write the per person budget. So per person the cost was around 15,000. Okay, now we can write the summary. Now the summary needs to be the detailed summary, so we can add the days from here, like day 1. So what we did in day 1. Okay, so I filled in the details. Now we need to fill in the contact details. Okay, so this is the post ID, like I copied the link from Instagram and I pasted it over here. Now I'll save it. After being saved, in the home page, if we go to the explore, then we can see the Baga Beach created here. Okay, so this is the whole summary. From here I can visit my Instagram. From here I can edit it, and from here I can share it. So I'll share it with Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever we need.